I'm a pipeliner. Twisted my back. So I've been out of work since 2021.
Since 2021, you've been out of work.
Yeah. I slipped, twist, and I caught myself. I dropped the pipe and caught myself.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't, you know how you.
Yeah.
And jarred myself. I tore my meniscus, herniated my L2, L3, L4, and L5, and my SI. Pain, numbness in my toes,
Okay.
numbness in my hands. I know that's from my upper back.
Alright, well, let's get you some relief.
All right.
There we go. What in the world happened to you?
Work accident.
Okay.
I was carrying some material and stepped in some water and on some slick concrete and twisted my back. So I've been out of work since 2021.
Since 2021, you've been out of work.
Yeah.
Holy.
Talked about surgery.
And what do you do for work?
I'm a pipeliner.
Dang, okay.
I'm ready to go back to work.
Yeah. What do you feel day to day?
Pain. My back right now as I'm sitting like in the lower, like my elbow. If you, yeah. Right there?
Yep.
Down a little bit. Like right where my rear end and my back meet.
Okay.
Straight up.
Oh,
All the way up, yep.
Even coming up in...
Even coming up in
So it's the entire spine?
Yeah.
Now, when you slipped, you were carrying a pipe and slipped?
So
or?
I was carrying a bunch of pipe. Yeah.
And it slipped, twist.
I slipped, twist, and I caught myself. I dropped the pipe and caught myself.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't, you know how you.
Yeah.
And jarred myself. I tore my meniscus. And the doctor at the time said that I herniated my L2, L3, L4, and L5, and my SI.
Holy man! You did yourself. Wow. All in one shot. You know, that's impressive.
Yeah.
And that's why you've been out of work.
Yeah.
Since 21. Okay. Dang. How have, like, even now, like, how are general movements?
I can move and I can lift because I'm stubborn.
Yep.
But it hurts, so I feel like within a couple minutes. I mean, yeah. Like
Do you got the pain going, like, shooting down the
pain,
legs?
numbness in my toes,
Okay.
numbness in my hands. I know that's from my upper back.
Yep, yep.
In my neck probably.
Yep.
I've researched. I did some homework, but I mean, yeah, I did myself in. My job's strenuous. It's.
Okay.
I'm not just carrying 50 pounds of metal. I'm carrying 200, 300, 400 pounds sometimes.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. All right. Well, let's get you some relief.
All right.
Let me get you to go face down on the table.
Okay.
Okay. Right leg is pulling short. Yeah, you can tell even all the way up top here. It's twisted in here. Let me know if you have any pain with me pushing in.
The bushing is right there.
Okay.
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there.
Okay. So, I mean, we're this entire lumbar spine, even, I would even say half of the lower thoracic going into that, both right and left SI joint, and even sacrum. Man, yeah, you were kidding. You did yourself in real good. Alright, we're going to start with the vibration first. start right up top here. There we go. Just that one side. Okay. Drop down into that upper thoracic here. Okay. There we go. There we go. Let me get you to sit up on the table for me. And then I'm going to have you bring one foot on each side. Yep. Perfect. We're going to bring this arm up. Bring the other arm up here. You can relax your arms. Go face down again for me. Legs are balanced, which is good. Yeah, you still need some more movement in the low back though. Okay. Go down just a little bit. There we go. Okay. leg pulls in here,
Okay.
you'll feel some release in the ankle knee going up.
Okay.
I want you to just relax your legs. And then I'm gonna have you slide down the table for me. Perfect. No, you're good.
Okay.
Lift up.
Wow. Whoa.
What did you feel?
I felt it just almost all the way to my butt. Wow. But most of it come like in my shoulders where I hold my stress. And oh, whoa. Whoa.
That was just the first one.
Oh.
You still got another one coming?
Oh goodness. Whew.
Come on. And rest.
Oh wow. My wife should have paid attention to you. She wasted her money on another guy.
Really?
Yeah. She didn't realize you were here though. She works not too far from here.
What?
Yeah, she works at Donaldson Center. So
Okay.
yeah, we weren't too far from Atlanta either. We were right downtown. Well, she was at Marietta.
I think my office is in Smyrna.
And she was at Lockheed Martin.
Okay.
So. Yeah, your wife and I had a conversation about, like, because I used to live in Tampa.
Oh, just
Yeah, I lived in Atlanta. I'm from Atlanta, and I live here now, of course. But so
dang. Okay, yeah. All three of my locations.
yeah, let's go around two.
Alright, bring your knees a little bit more in front.
I got it. Whew. Wow. Wow. I felt that one all the way down.
Heck yeah.
Wow. That was nice.
Yeah, I can tell you've been needing that one.
Oh.
And rest.
you guys do fly up here like once a week or something? Or?
No, well, we do 3 weeks in Tampa and 1 week here.
Okay.
And then Atlanta, I got a doc that I've trained up.
Okay.
And he runs that one.
Gotcha.
How do you feel?
Amazing. I'm a loss for words right now. Just, wow. It was aggressive, but that's what I needed.
Yeah. Stand up.
Oh my God. I didn't think it would be that in 2 years.
Really? Just going down.
That fast. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm usually. Wow. Wow. This is. I'm ready to get back to work now. Wow. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh man, thank you so much.
Thank you.
So much.
This is how you need to be feeling.
Yeah. Oh my God.